Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add aesthetic subtitle on any video. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for CapCut and install it. After installation, open the CapCut application. Okay, this will be the interface. Click new project. Select your particular video where you want to add subtitle. Okay, and obviously that should be aesthetic, so I'm just making the video short for quick demonstration. Tap on it, click split, click delete, so the additional part has been deleted. Now from the bottom part at the third place you can see a button text, click on it. At the third place you can see auto caption button, click on it, then click start. You can see that it is written creating auto captions. It's almost done. Okay, the auto caption has been created. You can see it, the caption has been created. Now how to make it aesthetic? This is very easy. Just tap on it, then go to the style option from the second place. Now from the style you can use any of the style like this or this. So again, you can go to the font, and under the section of font you'll be able to see many aesthetic font. You can also import any aesthetic font according to your wish. You can see add font button here. If you just click plus button, you can easily upload any font file. So still there are many fonts which are actually really fine and aesthetic, like this one or this one, or you can see there are many things like Italiana. So these are really aesthetic. Okay, you can increase the length if you want. Then you can go to the animation. You can add any animation, aesthetic animation if you want, or let me select a slow one like this one. So this is how easily you can add aesthetic subtitle, and that looks really beautiful. You can use it for any song. I have just used it in a random video. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.